Ethics of research. Ethics are of importance to all kind of social and behavioral research, especially when the research involves human subjects. Experimental replications, a traditional safeguard against unethical conduct, is more problematic given the size, cost, and complexity of many contemporary studies. General guidelines. The ethics of social research is not about etiquette, nor is it about considering the poor hapless subject at the expense of science or society. The issue of ethics often comes down to balancing the cost of questionable practices against the potential benefits of the research. Institutional review boards exist to help ensure that no harm will come to human subjects, that they are informed of and consent to the protocol of the research study, and that their confidentiality and anonymity will be protected. Code of ethics covers issues such as professional competence, integrity, respect for people's rights, dignity and diversity, social responsibility, ethical standards, harassments, conflicts of interest, disclosure of financial support, and relevant relationship, confidentially, and the publication process. It is impossible for any research to avoid ethics. Special care must be taken when sensitive personal questions are to be asked. Cover letter or introductory statement must be credible. The level of effort researchers should make to ensure that no errors in their research or in the writing up of their results will appear in print or in distributed electronic form. Guidelines for library and information science professionals. Anonymity or confidentiality of everyone involved must be maintained, that library services should never appear to depend on patron participation in the study, and that no harm should come to any subject. Upon the completion of study, all confidential data should be destroyed, including interview transcripts, lists of subject names, and observation notes, and that both electronic and paper files should be weeded as much as possible. Publishers, editors, academic societies, and research institutions also have ethical responsibilities for published research and should develop and enforce policies that address the fabrication of data and plagiarism. The serious evaluation and research that needs to be conducted if librarians are to serve the public and to preserve the profession. Ethics for research on the Internet. The ubiquity of information exchange on the Internet has led to discussion among researchers regarding the ethics of collecting public submissions to lists, blogs, discussions boards, and websites. Some researchers use postings on social media for their research to collect and analyze the data and report the findings. The widespread use of smartphones and other smart devices by researchers for data collection poses additional issues concerning individual privacy. As computer and biomedical technology provide increased ability to monitor overt behavior and physical responses, one can expect more challenges to the boundaries of acceptable research. Many users gradually became aware that commercial entities not only were tracking the most obvious data, but were even recording their visits to websites at which transactions were not conducted. Access rights and legal ownership of the data, intellectual property rights, and data security, storage, and curation are new challenges for e-research. Social media research brings different challenges associated with the legal and ethical implications of empirical research application programming interface for data collection. Thank you.